I am Dr. Major General A.S. Bath. I am Unit Head of Department of Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery. Department of Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery is one of the largest department in private sector in plastic surgery, and we have got almost 10 specialists in the department, and this department covers all aspects of plastic surgery, which includes general plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery, hand surgery, microsurgery, craniofacial and maxillofacial surgery. Recently we had one patient from USA. She had come from California. She was 70 years old and she came with the problem of aging face, sagging breast and pendulous hanging abdomen, and she was very keen to get all the deformities corrected in one go, and she was keen that she should look young, and she wanted the time slot to go almost back by 20 years. So we took up that challenge, and we treated her deformities at all the three places. We did her abdominoplasty, what we call tummy tuck. We did the breast reduction and mastopexy, what we call breast lift. And for aging face, we did the fat grafting, we did nano fat grafting, and then we did the Botox. And she did very well, and she was very happy, and she felt that as she has become like a 16 years old young girl, and she went very happy from here. Since this patient wanted to get everything done in one go, and as I have told, we have got a very large department here. We worked as two teams, so we could tend to her multiple area in the shortest possible time, and we could finish everything in 5 hours. Now there are new techniques in abdominoplasty where we don't give very large cuts, and lot of work can be done with the new techniques of liposuction, and there are new technologies of fat grafting. We can remove the fat with the body jet machine where the fat is not damaged, and new technologies in fat grafting of the face are there, where we do the rejuvenation of the face. Earlier we were only trying to tighten the skin of the face, but now when the aging of face takes place, there is a loss of volume over the face. So we can add fat to the loss of volume where the loss of volume is there, and we can rejuvenate the face in a much better way. Thank you very much. For more details, you can log on to BLK website, where all the details are there in the Department of Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery, and you can also see the videos on YouTube. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.